the way to the thrift right now. As you can see, I threw on the A's hat with the Los Angeles Lakers oversized crew neck. This is like a 2XL. But yeah, I don't really follow baseball, but if you're a baseball fan, congratulations to the Dodgers. Or if you're a Dodgers fan, congratulations. Maybe I'll find some fire Dodgers stuff in the thrift right now, and then be able to bless you guys. But yeah, it's a good morning, nice and breezy. Like I said, it's officially cozy season. Let's go. Let's get to the thrift, find some fire. Peace. Vintage Steve Young Nike poster. This is kind of tough. I don't really follow football, but just that Nike logo goes crazy. Crazy vintage Nike, size large. Look at the colorway with the zippers on the bottom. And it's got the thermal lining to stay extra cozy. It's got the teal too on the zippers. These are fire. Super good condition too. Then I found this 2001 Laker tee. Nothing crazy. Just a basic shirt. And then some vintage Nike. Embroidered white tag. Size large, I believe. Yeah. This is more like an XL though. I feel like it's kind of stretched out. But it's got the logo right down the back. So. Little basic Stussy crew neck. Size large. It's got the Stussy on the back. Big logo. Probably gonna take this. It's cozy season. $4. We got this 8T right here. Taxing though, 15. I honestly don't think this is real. Has no inner tag on the waist. But this one right here is just another essential on the white Nike tag. Size XL. Nike check. Cozy, cozy, cozy. Okay. Dove Zeros. And they got these right here. Super fake. Don't stop either. Super fake red 11s. First time I've seen red 11s though. In the thrift. Alright guys, just found 3 essentials. Nike. On the white tag, size large, $6. Scooping that. Early 2000s, $8. Little burgundy colorway. Essential. And then this one right here is pretty fire. Early 2000s as well, size large. That's for 15, not too bad. It's got the center check on the kangaroo pocket, but it's in that like off-white colorway. It's got the patch. And then it's got another embroidery in the back. I think this is, yeah, it's got the little ventilation holes. And it's got the tuck away hood. Pretty clean. Scooping this one too. We got some Air Max 95s right here. I think these are called the Sequoias. Size 9.5. They're only asking for $8. Might have to take these. And I found these 2 tees right here. One Yu-Gi-Oh tee. It's a small one though. It's like a size medium. And this one right here, size large, basic Nike tee. Screen printed instead of embroidered. Early 2000s. Alright guys, we at it again. This is the kids or like the boys section. I see it right there. See who it is. Y'all are seeing this live. Let's go, baby. MJ. Champion, size XL, 18 by 20. Oh my god, boy, let's go. This one is a banger. It's on the Delta tag. I Love Lucy, 90s TV show. If you don't know, those hearts are crazy on here. It's a size large. I feel like this can be stretched though, for sure. And this one right here, I'm not sure if I'm gonna cop, but it says Mega Love Jam. It's a little concert tee. See all the names right there. 2001. This is a maybe. Let's see if I skip this one. Another one, baby. 2008 Kobe MVP tee on the anvil. This one is insane. Taxing 45, but it's an Apex 1 Ferrari racing jacket, Scandia. Look at the back. And the color blocking is crazy. Big Ferrari spell out on the back too. Or on the sleeve, I mean. And then this one right here, just looked it up and these actually go for a lot. Noon Goons, joggers. If you don't know, just Google it and you'll see what these go for. Nice little come up so far. Yo, at first thought it was real. It's not good. The tag on the inside is not good. Antisocial undefeated hoodie. It's not supposed to have these like eyelets right here. It's supposed to be just like nothing. It's just supposed to be just a hole. But it would have been crazy. They're only charging $3 too. Oh yeah. Yo, look at these 1990 newspapers. The National. Got MJ on it. Magic Johnson, and then MJ. It's low-key crazy. 1990s. Look at that Marlboro in the back. That's pretty insane. I might have to take these, man. 25 each though. God. Taxing 35. Crazy to see these though. Look. It's the Kuzma Puma jogger, size XL. That's way too much. These are still in stock on the website. That's crazy. Yo, what's good, guys? Honestly, I don't know what's going on, but your boy has been finding so much Laker stuff. Look at this. Vintage starter, size large. Asking for $20, but obviously, come on. You can't pass on that. That's too crazy. With the starter logo on the back, you don't even want to know what those are, baby. This one right here, some vintage Nike. Crazy. Look at the back. Big logo. Straight to the shop. And then it's got the embroidery right there, and then Nike all on the buttons. This one's a size large, I think. Yeah, size large. And then these right here. Oh my god. Sadly not my size, but yo, what? The Bruce Lee Kobe's? 2013. Oh my god, look at the condition. They're not even like super worn. Look at that. Size 12. Y'all know what these go for. These are crazy. Just gotta throw them in the wash real quick, get that dirt off, and these should be straight. Size 12 and a half, man. Alright, quick pit stop before I head to the shop. I'm at a Salvation Army right now. XXL Delta tag. Vintage Arizona chili dog tee. This is pretty cool. The graphics clean. And then this one right here, I thought it was an essential Nike tee. It is screen print right there, XXL, but on the back it actually says just do it. So probably gonna end up taking this one. I don't even know what the prices are on these. And these right here, I found these in the kids section. Size large, simple, essential Nike check. Maybe going to the Boo Boo. Maybe put in the store. Just gonna make sure it got no flaws, and we should be good. Yow! What's good? The shirts have finally arrived. I'm excited. This is gonna be the shirts that I had made for the Lakers championship t-shirts, and the one that I've been most hype about to release. I basically got 5 of these shirts in a size XXL, just so I can take photos in them and rock them, obviously, so I can show you guys what they look like. If you want to know or order one when they do drop, all you have to do is follow me on Instagram. The shop is on there. Actually, it's on my thing too. The shop Instagram is actually on my the shop Instagram. The website to purchase these shirts is actually on my description down below. But yeah, okay. Here they are. All right, let's pick out a big size. This one's a large. This one, okay, this one's an XL. There it is. Oh my god. You guys see that? Kobe Angel on top. Look how clean that is. Looks good, huh? It's cool, baby. It's got all the players on there. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have already seen this. But you see all the players on there, and then on the back it says, job's not finished, but job is finished. So I crossed out the not, obviously. But this, I'm hyped. Alright, so this is the, shout out to everyone who copped one. And then I have the, where's the other one? Oh, right here. So this is the white one. Oh my god, this is the, oh my god, hold up. I'm so hyped to freaking open that one. Hold on. Let me pull out one more white. If I did I even get any orders of the white shirt? I think there's just one in the XL. Oh, that's a medium. So I got these right here. You see it, LeBron right there. And then on the back, it's got AD, but it is the Mickey Mouse head. But you see, obviously, he has the unibrow right there. Oh my god, these came out clean. I'm happy I went with this t-shirt. It's like super thick and yeah, the quality is clean. I don't know who ordered a medium. I ordered one of these? I thought I got a large one. Oh well, I'll figure it out. I think that's it. I don't remember ordering a medium, but we'll figure it out. All right, this is the one I'm super hyped about. Oh my god. So there should be 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my god. Baby, I'm so hyped to see these. Mine? No, these are the 2XL ones.
Oh, was that mine?
No. Alright, so this is gonna be the first one. So, if you guys know, the vintage Nike Rodman t-shirt with the Nike logo right here, and then it's got like the, oh my god, I'm hyped. So right there, this is the brand that I just released. So it says right there, you can barely read it, but it says Swish Splash. I didn't want it to be super, what is that, readable? Legible? Look at the back. Oh my god. Oh, I'm hyped. Look at the back. Yo. That is fire. Look at the back. Dude. That's sick. Okay, so basically what I went off of was the top like Jordan 1 colorway. So obviously that was for the breads, or top Jordan 1 colorway is kind of like right now. Okay, so this one is for the royal, obviously the royal blue one. Dude, you see that? Oh my god, I'm hyped. This one right here is the brown one. This one's for the mochas. I'm just predicting that Oakleys are gonna be the new wave. So this is why I went with this picture, because obviously he has the Oakleys on right there. But I had to give it a little bit of a pop for the Oakley lenses. So I just had to make the whole thing gray. This one right here, super simple. You see it's gray, and then the back, gray. So this one's to match the shadow ones. And then lastly, obviously, this one is for, oh wait, I think the other one was for the royal toes. Oh, okay. So this one is for the royal ones. That one, for some reason, I thought it was gonna be way more baby blue, but I guess not. So this one was actually for the UNC, like the off-white Jordan ones. So yeah, that's actually the baby blue right there. My bad. This one is for the royal ones. Oh my god, I am so hyped. Look at that, dude. And I like to wear my stuff like super oversized right now, so this is a 2XL, so this is like the perfect length for me. Oh my god, look at that, boy. Dude, that is fire. I probably look extra dark right now. I'm gonna end this right here. This was another trip to the thrift. I'm excited to drop these t-shirts. Just stay tuned, follow me on Instagram. They will be dropping very, very soon. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and you guys already know the slogan. So let's wrap it up. To the coziest in the game. This beanie's coming back, man. It's cozy season again. Hey man, the fashion, what is good? Peace.